As soon as guys get their trucks and start making more power, they need connecting rods right away. So any of the diesel trucks that are out there in the market today have normally above factory power levels, so we have to build a stronger connecting rod. So we build thousands of connecting rods that are in daily driven trucks. Then it goes one step more. The truck pulling market and the drag racing market in the diesel community is growing. So then we build connecting rods for the truck pullers, the tractor pullers, and the drag racers. Hey, I'm Jeremy Wagler with Wagler Competition, out in the middle of the cornfields and bean fields of Indiana, and basically we started business as a repair automotive shop and dreams of making parts, engineering parts that would work on diesel related engines. And now we're building anything from connecting rods to billet blocks, billet heads. As we gain knowledge and trying to speed up processes, we always look at what a machine can do while the part is in the machine. So basically on our connecting rod side, we do the center to center boring. We leave it in the same fixture and do the center to center honing within that VF2 Haas. The next step, we had issues keeping up with our surface grinder as the rods came out of that machine. So we bought another VF3 and we come down with a surface grinding and diamond and make the pass and do the surface grinding to get this parallel on each rod as it's in the machine. So it's less handling with a person taking out a machine and going to another surface grinder. We're doing it all in the Haas VF3. The surface finish now we can change with the tool load and the feeds and the speeds, where on a surface grinder you're just going and making passes. So as far as the surface finish, we can dial that into what the customers want or what we prefer, as you can see on the side of the connecting rod. After the connecting rods and the cylinder heads, the block was the next failure point. So there wasn't very many guys building billet blocks at the time, so we bought a VF6 and started making the Duramax billet block and the Cummins billet block. The biggest thing on the blocks is tight tolerances and also fixturing and the rotary, being able to get into the tight spots. It took some special tooling to get into the areas where the lifter bores and all that stuff was. So basically it does all the machining from start to finish. Currently on the ST30 we're running some injector line nuts that are going onto an injector down into a pulling tractor over in Germany. We got into doing CNC training, where if someone's unemployed they can come in and take training. We was doing the training here in our shop, and last year we ended up buying a brand new VF2 and placing it at our training site, which is at Wagler Motorsports Park. So overall, starting in 2010, looking at what I was dreaming of building and being able to see it in production now in 2022, I never would have dreamed of having that many machines out there making performance parts. It was kind of a dream, like a hobby shop when I started. After this many years, I'm glad I dove into it.